All of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, and we are going to complete the exercise 8.2. So this is the first question. 2 bits, 5 bits are there, I think. Let us complete the 2 bits. So first bit, sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60? जिसको याद है बता दो.
root 3 by 2.
Right, root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree.
Root
Same.
3 by 2.
Same, root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree.
Half 1 by 2.
1 by 2, right. Cos 60.
Half 1 by 2.
Right, 1 by 2. So now we are going to substitute all these 4 values. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 will become
3 by 4.
3 by 4, and 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will become
1 by 4.
So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, both the denominators are same. So 3 plus 1 upon 4, that is 4 by 4, and the final answer is 1. Okay, now let us move to the second bit. Tan 45. What is the value of tan 45?
1.
1. Cos 30.
Root 3 by 2.
Right, root 3 by 2.
Root 3
And
by
sin
2.
60.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Right, root 3 by 2.
2.
So this can be written first. एक तो पहले डायरेक्ट लिखने की बजाय tan square 45 degree we can write tan 45 whole square. Okay, this step. This is not mandatory to write this step. I am just explaining that tan square 45 degree can be written as tan 45 whole square. Similarly, cos square 30 degree can be written as cos 30 whole square, and sin square 60 degree can be written as sin 60 degree whole square. Okay, now we are going to substitute the values. Tan 45 1 है, cos 30 root 3 by 2, and sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. So 2 into 1 square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by whole square. These two are the same term. You can cancel from cancel here only, or else you can write one more step. 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So this 2 will be cancelled, and what is the final answer?
2.
2. Right. So this is the final answer. So now we will move towards the third bit. Third bit, cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. What is the value of cos 45 degree?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
What is the value of sec 30 degree?
2 by root 3.
2 by
2 by root 3. Right. What is the value of cosec 30 degree?
2.
2. Okay. So we are going to substitute the value, and 1 upon root 2 upon 2 root 3 plus 2 by root 3 plus 2. Now what we will do, we will take LCM here. Okay, 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. अब हम लोग इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कैसे लिखेंगे? We'll write the reciprocal of this step. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the next step? Anish?
Sir, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6.
Right, but we will take 2 common from here. Okay, that is also correct. We will take 2 common from here, and so root 3 plus 1. Root 3 को पहले लिख रहे हैं. Now we are going to rationalize this one. What is the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1?
Root 3 minus 1.
3 minus
Right.
1.
So root 3 minus 1 into divide करेंगे हम लोग. So we'll get this step. Now what is the product of these two?
Root 3 whole square minus 1 square.
Right, root 3 whole square minus 1 square. That is 3 minus 1. Similar, but in the same step, I want to remove this also. So इसको भी rationalize कर देते हैं. That is root 2 by root 2. अभी यहाँ पे दो टर्म को मैं rationalize कर रहा हूँ. एक तो root 3 plus 1 को और root 2 को. We can do in the same step only. कैसे? इसी स्टेप में देखो ध्यान से, इसी स्टेप में हम लोग रूट 2 इंटू रूट 3 माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर सकते थे, लेकिन बहुत लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होगा, इसलिए मैंने एक एक स्टेप लिया है. रूट 3 माइनस 1 पहले मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया, फिर रूट 2. Now final answer. This 2 will become 3 minus 1 and root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So 2 into 2 will become 4 and root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 will become 3 minus 1. Whether this step is clear? This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 will become 3 minus 1 and 2 root 2 into root 2 will become 4. और न्यूमरेटर वैसे ही रखें हम लोग. Okay, so now what will be the denominator?
8.
8. Okay.
8.
Now we'll simplify the numerator also. What is the product of these two? Root 2
Root
into
6.
root 3 into root 3. If we multiply
3
these
minus
two,
root 3.
नहीं, अगर
3
ये
root
तीनों
2.
को इंटू करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
3 root 2.
Yes, 3 root 2. And if we multiply this to 1,
Root 6.
root 6.
Minus root.
Right. So next step, 3 root 2. See, this together we are multiplying with root 3. Then together multiply with minus 1. So we'll get 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Any doubt? Any doubt in this step?
No,
No,
sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards the fourth bit. Fourth bit, sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So what is the value of sine 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Right. What is the value of tan 45 degree?
1.
1
Cosec 60?
Minus 2 by root 3.
minus 2.
Only I ask cosec 60 na, to 2 by root 3. Sec 30 degree?
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Cos 60?
Half.
1 by 2. Cot 45?
1.
Right. So now we are going to substitute sine 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 1, cosec 60 degree 2 by root 3 and sec 30 degree is also 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now see what you will get if you add this 2. Half plus 1. What you will get? Half plus 1.
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Right. So we replaced these 2 by 3 by 2. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. Okay. And here 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2 root 3. And the denominator 2 root 3 can be cancelled. I repeat once again. See, 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 2 root 3. This is the numerator part. Okay. Now divided by the denominator. You can write 3 root 3 first because plus sign it will not affect the answer. So I am writing the 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 first plus 4 upon 2 root 3. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this 2 root 3 cancel and we'll get 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. Now I want to rationalize this one. What is the rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus 4?
3 root 3
4 minus 3 root 3.
Okay, I am talking about this one. Okay, no problem. 3 root 3 minus 4. So multiply, divide by 3 root 3 minus 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the denominator will become is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So it will be a square minus b square. So now the numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. Denominator is in the form of a square minus b square. Numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay. Now what is 3 root 3 whole square?
27.
Okay. Now what is 4 square, it is 16.
16.
Okay, fine. So we'll get 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 in the numerator, and the denominator will get 27 minus 16. Any doubt?
No, sir.
देखो ये 27 a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? 3 root 3 whole square plus 4 square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4, you will get 24 root 3. So what is 27 plus 16?
43.
43.
Right. So final answer. So our final answer will be 43 minus 24 root 3 upon what will be the denominator?
11.
11. So
11.
this is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards the last bit of this question, that is fifth bit. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now what is cos 60 degree?
Half.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, right. Sec 30 degree?
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3.
2 root
Tan
3.
45?
1.
1.
1.
Sin 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1.
Cos 30 degree?
2.
Root 3 by 2.
Right, fine.
Root
So
3
now
by
we are
2.
going to substitute all the values. Okay, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, sec 30 degree 2 by root 3, tan 45 degree 1, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. So पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप में, एक मिनट है ना, ये नहीं आएगा, ओनली sin 30 degree whole square. Right, 5 cos 60 degree whole square plus 4 sec 30 degree whole square minus tan 45 degree whole square upon sin 30 whole square plus cos 30 whole square. So now I am going to substitute the values. What is 1 by 2 whole square?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
2 by root 3 whole square?
3 by 4.
4 by 3.
4 by
4
3
by
3.
minus 1. So here 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4.
3 by 2.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we are going to take LCM in numerator and denominator also. So denominator 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 will become 4 by 4, and that will be equals to 1. And what is the LCM of the denominator of numerator part?
12.
12.
12.
So यहाँ पे into 3 होगा और यहाँ पे into 4 और यहाँ पे into 12. ओके, एलसीएम लेंगे तो इसके बाद ले रहे हैं हम लोग एलसीएम. सो ओके, सो ये वाला पार्ट हम लोग 1 हो रहा है तो निकाल दिए. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एलसीएम. 15 plus 64 minus 12, what you will get?
67.
Okay, so 67 upon 12 is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards second question. This is multiple choice question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Means you have to write the reason also. Okay, so first bit, 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equals to ABCD. So what we will do, we will first simplify this one, then we will check that value belongs to which one. Okay, so what is tan 30 degree?
1 by root
1
3.
by root 3.
Right, so we are going to substitute tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3. So this 1 by root 3 whole square will become 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Now 1 plus 1 by 3, it will be 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
Okay, so if we want to write in product, so we have to take the reciprocal. Now this 2 can be cancelled, and this root 3 also we can cancel here. So what you will get? Root 3 by root 3 by 2. अब इसमें से चेक करो root 3 by 2 किसका होता है? इसका तो होगा नहीं. cos 60 1 by 2 होता है, sin 30 1 by 2 होता है. Only sin 60 is left. and which is equals to sine 60 degrees. So correct option is A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now second question. What is the value of tan 45 degree?
1.
1.
What is the value of tan 45 degree?
1.
1. Okay. So if we substitute 1, यहाँ पे square है. So 1 minus 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square. So 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So final answer is 0. So which is the correct option?
D.
D. चलो थर्ड बिट पे आ जाते हैं हम लोग. Sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a is true when a is equals to. So let us check for 0 degree. So what is the LHS here? Sin 2a and the RHS is 2 sin a. Okay. So we'll start with here when a is equals to 0 degree. Our LHS is sin 2a. So substitute a is equals to 0. So what you will get? Sin 2 into 0. And that is sin 0 is equals to 0. Now we'll find the RHS, that is 2 sin a. फिर a की जगह पे 0 substitute करो. Sin 0. Sin 0 value 0. So 2 into 0 will become 2 into 0.
0.
0.
2 into 0 is 0. That means LHS is equals to RHS. So correct option is A. Actually अगर मान लो A यहाँ पे लिखा रहता तो हम लोग को पूरा चेक करना पड़ता, ये तीनों चेक करना पड़ता. अभी तो ये फर्स्ट में है. So we started with 0 degree and we got LHS is equals to RHS. So we are not going for B, C, D. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Or this calculation you can do in your mind also. Very simple. 2 sin 30 degree, 2 into half is 1 and 2 sin 60 degree is not equals to 1. Similarly for 45 degree, similarly for 60 degree. You can cross it in your, you can check in your mind also. So writing steps is not required for multiple choice questions. Only correct option is required. So let us move towards the fourth bit. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Already we did in first bit. So we are going to substitute the value of tan 30 degree. That is 2 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. And 1 minus 1 upon 3 is 2 by 3. इसको फिर into में लिखेंगे तो इसका reciprocal लेना पड़ेगा. This 2 will be cancelled. And this root 3 also we can cancel it and we'll get root 3. So out of these 4 values, which will equals to root 3?
Tan
C.
60 degree.
Yes, definitely root 3, only root 3 comes in tan only. So you have to check for tan. So tan 60 degree. And this is equals to tan 60 degree. So correct option is C bit. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 3. Now this is very important for this year board exam. If tan of a plus b is equals to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3, where a plus b is less than or equal to 90 degree, greater than 0 degree, that means an acute angle, and a is greater than b, find a and b. Okay? A plus B is an acute angle, but it can be a right angle also. Agar according to the given value, if it is 90 degree, then also we have to write 90 degree. So not mandatory that it is an acute angle. इसका range जो है 0 से बड़ा होगा, 90 के बराबर या छोटा होगा. Right. So now in tan, which angle, in which angle you will get root 3?
60 degree.
60 degree, right? So we'll start with tan of a plus b is equals to root 3, it is given, and this is equals to tan 60 degree. Now we can equate the angle. So what is the value of a plus b?
60 degree.
Right. So let it be equation number 1. Now in tan, which angle you will get, for which angle you will get 1 by root 3?
30 degree.
30 degree. So now tan of A minus B is equals to 1 upon root 3, and this is equals to tan 30 degree. Now again equate the angles. So what you will get?
A minus B is equals to 30 degree.
Right, A minus B is equals to 30 degree. Let it be equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations. So already मैं linear equation में बताया था कि उसके लिए elimination method use करेंगे और we'll check कि coefficient किसका same है. See, the coefficient of A is also same but same sign. B is also same but different sign. So we go for B. So what we will do, we will add both the equations. So on adding 1 and 2 we get this 2 will be cancelled. So we get 2A is equals to 90 degree. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
So what will be the value of A?
45 degree.
45 degree, right. So now this 45 degree we are going to substitute here, first equation. Okay, so 45 plus B is equals to 60. So what will be the value of B?
15 degree.
Right. इसको यहाँ shift करेंगे. B is equals to 60 minus 45, so it will be equals to 15 degree. Hence, A is equals to 45 degree and B is equals to 15 degree. Any doubt in this question?
No.
Okay. Now we'll move towards the last question of the exercise, that is fourth question. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sine of A plus B is equals to sine A plus sine B.
False.
Yes, false. So now we have to justify. So we'll take two values, 30 और 60 डिग्री ले लेते हैं, 60 और 30 डिग्री ले लेते हैं. ठीक है? So LHS is sine of A plus B means 60 plus 30. So it will be sine 90. What is the value of sine 90?
1.
1. Right. Now we'll take RHS. Sine A plus sine B. Now put the value of A and B. That is sine 60 degree plus sine 30 degree. What is the value of sine 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
And sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Right. Definitely if you add this two, it will not be equals to 1. Right? Clear? So that is LHS is not equals to RHS. Now next, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. True or false?
True.
True. So justification. What is the value of sine 0?
0. 0.
0. What is the value of sine 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by
1 by 2. So it is the value is 0.5. What is the value of sine 45 degree?
1 by root
1 by
2.
root 2.
1 by root 2. Approximately 0.7. What is the value of sine 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
So approximately it is 0.87. What is the value of sine 90?
1.
1.
See, the value of sine is increasing along with the value of theta. Right? So that is why this statement is true. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So value of sine theta increases as theta increases from 0 degree to 90 degree. Now we'll move towards third bit, third, fourth, fifth. So these are the last question, last bits. Third, fourth, fifth, the last है fourth question का. So then we can have some examples. Then we will wind up. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. True or false?
False.
False. Okay. We'll check. What is the value of cos 0 degree?
1.
1. What is the value of cos 30 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2, approximately 0.87. What is the value of cos 60 degree? 45 degree. Cos 45.
1 by 2.
1 by root 2. Right. 0.7. What is the value of cos 60 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 means 0.5. What is the value of cos 90 degree?
0.
0. That means the value of cos theta is decreasing when the value of theta increases from 0 degree to 90 degree. So that is why the statement is false, because in the question it is given increases as theta increases. So the correct answer is decreases. So now we'll move towards sin theta is equals to cos theta for all values of theta. False. Why? Because sin 0 degree is 0 while cos 0 degree is 1. And sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. Both are different. Or we can write sin 30 degree is not equals to cos 30 degree. Only we have sin 45 degrees equals to cos 45 degree because both are equals to 1 upon root 2. So 0 डिग्री टू 90 डिग्री के इंटरवल में सिर्फ एक ही वैल्यू है जहाँ पे एक ही एंगल है जहाँ पे साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा इक्वल होंगे, दैट इज 45 डिग्री. राइट? एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Next, cot A is not defined for A is equals to 0. True. Because what is tan A? Tan 0 degree.
Zero.
Not defined.
Yes, no, not defined नहीं है. Tan 0 degree is 0. And cot A क्या होता है? Cot 0 degree कितना होगा? 1 upon tan 0 degree. And this value is 0. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to do some examples. So these are the examples based on evaluating. So first bit, 2 sin square 45 degree plus cot square 30 degree minus 6 times cos square 45 degree minus tan square 30 degree. So what is the value of sin 45 degree?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
Cot 30 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3. Right, very good. Cos 45 degree?
1 by root 2.
Tan 30 degree?
Root 3 by
1 by root 3.
1 by root
1 by root 3. Okay. So now we are going to substitute the value. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cot 30 root 3, cos 45 1 by root 2 and tan 30 1 by root 3. तो इसका स्क्वायर करने के बाद ये वाला स्टेप आएगा 1 by 2 plus 3 and here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now we have to take LCM. So what you will get here?
7 by 2.
2.
7 by 2. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? If you take LCM, you will get 3
1 by
minus 2 by 6. 1 by 6 you will get. Okay. So this 6 and this 2 will be cancelled. And what we will get?
6.
7 minus 1, that is 6. Any doubt in first bit?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll do the second bit. What is sin 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
What cos 60 degree?
1 by
1 by
2.
Right, 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3. Very good. Cot 45?
1.
1. Cosec 60 degree?
2 by root
2 by root 3. Very good. Now we are going to substitute. We are going to substitute the values. Sin 30 1 by 2 था, cos 60 भी 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3, cot 45 1 and cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. अभी 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 कितना होगा? What you will get?
1 by 16.
1 by 16 plus this is also 1 by 16. This will become 3 and this will become 1 and 2 by root 3 whole square will become
4 by 3.
4 by 3. ठीक है, सबका स्क्वायर कर लिए. अभी यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो, this 3 will be cancelled and 3 plus 1 will become 4 and 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 will become 2 times 1 by 16. So 1 by 8 we can write. Next step, this 2 will be cancelled और ये भी cancel कर सकते हो. What will be the final answer?
4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4, right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll see one more very good question. If theta is an acute angle and tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2, find the value of theta. And using theta, the value, find the value of sin to the power 7 theta plus cos to the power 7 theta. Okay, सो पहले तो हम लोग थीटा फाइंड कर लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इज गिवन दैट tan थीटा प्लस cot थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2. Okay, so how will you start? See, there are two ways. There are two ways. You can convert it into sine cos, or you can shift 2 to this side. Okay, मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, tan को you can write sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta you can write cos theta by sin theta is equals to 2, right? That way also you can do, and you can shift my 2 to this side. You can shift 2 to this side. It will become minus 2. So tan theta plus cot theta minus 2 is equals to 0. दो तरीके हैं. So मैं और थर्ड मेथड है cot को tan में कन्वर्ट कर लो. This is the easy method. Convert cot to tan method, tan form. So 1 upon 10. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Now cross multiply. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to 2 tan theta. Now shift 2 tan theta to here. It will become minus 2 tan theta. So ध्यान से देखो, ये tan theta minus 1 whole square है. If you see carefully, this will be tan theta minus 1 whole square. So this will imply tan theta is equals to 1. And what is 1 in tan?
45 degrees.
Right. So we will equate with tan 45 degree. So this will imply theta is equals to 45 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं सेकंड मेथड बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो, वो भी इजी है. क्या करेंगे, साइन थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा. ये हो गया tan थीटा प्लस cot थीटा. वी कैन राइट cos थीटा बाय sin थीटा. ओके, and this is equals to 2. Now take LCM here. So if you take LCM, what you will get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta is equals to 2. Now you cross multiply. So you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 2 cos theta sin theta. You can shift it to left hand side. मैं एक स्टेप स्किप कर रहा हूँ. So you will get minus 2 cos theta sin theta is equals to 0. Now if you see carefully, this is in the form of sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 0 whole square. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Now we'll get sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 0, or sin theta is equals to cos theta. Right? In the next step, you can shift the cos theta to the denominator. So you will get sin theta upon cos theta is equals to 1. So it will become tan theta is equals to 1. Or you can conclude here also कि sin theta is equals to cos theta, theta is equals to 45 degree. So which method is easy, this one or this one?
So the previous one.
ये वाला. Okay, okay, fine. So now we got the value of theta. Now we have to find the value of this expression. So what is tan 45? What is the value of tan 45?
1.
Cot
One.
45?
1.
So
One.
1 to the power 7.
1.
1.
So 1 plus 1.
2.
So answer is 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So next, this is the last example. Find the value of x in, this is the expression. We have to find the value of x. So it's a very easy question. Just we have to substitute all this value, then simplify. What is sine 60 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3
Cos 60
by
degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Sec 45 degree?
Root 2.
Root 2. Cos 30 degree? Now we are going to substitute. See, tan 60 root 3, cos 60 1 by 2, sec 45, it's root 2 whole square, that will become 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, it is root 3 by 2. So 3 by 4. अब ये हो जाएगा 3 and this will become 1 by 4. Right? 3 into 2 it will become 6 plus 3 by x upon 4 and this will become 54 by 3. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. So next what we will do, we'll take LCM here. So what you will get? If we take LCM.
27x by 4.
Okay, 27x upon 4 is equals to 18 because this we can cancel it and we'll get 18. Now, what is the value of x?
18 into 4 by 27.
Right. Or we can simplify, we can cancel it by 9. So we get x is equals to 8 by 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the last question. Now we'll move towards the next section, that is assignment questions. And you have to complete all these 5 questions. The last question is you have to verify this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Whether LHS, not whether, you have to verify that LHS should be equals to RHS. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. Any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
I will upload after 10th C class, that is 310. You please watch once again for better understanding. Okay.